Nicole is the first hurricane to make landfall along Florida's Atlantic coast since 1935. Heavy winds, rain, and storm surge wreaking havoc, killing at least 5, leaving many without a home. Much of the state still overwhelmed by September's Hurricane Ian. Severe erosion caused by powerful storm surge sent multiple beachfront homes collapsing into the ocean, changing the landscape along Florida's coast. Nicole came bearing down on Vero Beach Thursday night as a Category 1 hurricane, the first to make landfall in November in decades. The storm dropped half a foot of rain, causing major flooding. At least 50,000 customers are without power. CBN's Operation Blessing was already on the ground, still cleaning up from Hurricane Ian. Teams are now on standby, helping with any needs following this storm. Florida officials warn the ground and seawall remain unstable, with more collapses to come. The hurricane is now a tropical depression, moving north through Georgia, threatening to bring tornadoes, flash floods, and severe thunderstorms, and bringing heavy rain into the Carolinas.